Good day and welcome to your Microsoft Teams tutorial. As you know, you will be having a 2-hour weekly group tutorial session, and for these sessions over the semester, you will be working in a Microsoft Office environment. With me today is Griselda Langeveld from the Center for Learning Technologies, who will be my student for this demonstration. To find our intercultural communication webpage, we go to the STEM Learn dashboard. Scroll down until we see Intercultural Communication, and we click on it. This will take us to the home page. Once we are on the page, we will see the general overview of the course, and scrolling down will show us the overviews of what we will be covering each week. Going back to the top, above announcements, I will find the Microsoft Teams icon that I can click on to join the intercultural communication team. This will take me to another page. As I already have the Teams app installed, I can select to launch it now, which will launch the app directly onto the intercultural communication team, where I, as a facilitator, can see multiple team channels. These channel names represent different days and different facilitators. Channel names starting with Team 1 represent Mondays, Team 2 for Tuesdays and 3 for Fridays. The letters represent the various facilitators on those days. If I open the Team 1A channel, I can select Shared at the top to see the various group folders. You and your group members will be given access to one of these folders. This will be your workspace for the duration of the semester. As an example, if I open the 1A Group 1 folder, you will notice we have set up the 4 main documents as an example of what you would be required to create yourselves. You will be part of a group of 8 members who will all have access to the shared online folder to work collaboratively on the following documents: a Microsoft Word working document for notes and discussions, a Microsoft Word project report document, a Microsoft Excel spreadsheet for project management and data analysis, and Microsoft PowerPoint for your project poster. So let's see how to do it. Going back to a folder that doesn't have the documents already set up, like folder 1A Group 2, we can see that it's empty. To add a document, I will click on New near the top and select the type of document that I need to create. In this example, I am selecting a Word document, and once selected, it will open in a new tab. The first thing that you need to do after creating any of your documents is to rename the file appropriately. In this example, it is 1A Group 2, and we'll make this our notes document. Now, let's assume that you are the group leader for the day. I, as the facilitator, will enroll you as the group leader. I'll click on Share and add your name, and I will ensure that you have edit rights. Now that you are invited, you will be able to edit within the folder. Griselda, as the student, could you please check your mail for the link that allows your access?
Yes, I've got the email. Open it up. It shows that a 1A group 1 folder has been shared with me.
Great. When you click on the link that says Open, it will pop out to the SharePoint environment. You can choose to work from here, or alternatively, Griselda, could you please go back to the Teams app? When you are in the Teams environment, you will see OneDrive on the left. OneDrive is where you can see your documents that you have uploaded to the SharePoint cloud. It is also where you can see any folders or documents that have been shared with you. In this case, please click on Shared in the left navigation panel, and you will find the folder shared with you at the top. You can choose to favorite your folder by clicking on the star to make it easier to find in your favorites. And if you open the folder, you will be able to see and edit any documents that have already been created. As a member to a new folder, you will have the ability to create the documents as mentioned before. To do so, we will select the Create or Upload option on the left, where we can add the documents as previously shown.
Yeah. 1A group 1.
Yeah.
Paste.
Yeah.
Good.
Perfect. As the group leader for the day, who I, as the facilitator, has given editing rights to, you are now responsible for adding and giving editing rights to the rest of your group members. To do this, you will go back to the overarching folder. Hover over it to see the three dots. Click on it, select Manage Access, click on Share, change it from a Can View setting to a Can Edit setting, then type in the email address of all of your group members. Now that we have the folder shared with the entire group, we will remember that we previously opened the folder via the link in your email, which opened SharePoint in your browser. Griselda, do you mind going back there?
Okay, so this is the email that I received, and I'll click on the link to open it again.
You will notice that these documents are exactly the same. You will even see the test document that Griselda has created. These documents are the exact same documents that you can see in the OneDrive environment via your Teams app. SharePoint is the environment where the documents are stored. We can just view and edit it via different environments. Okay, Griselda and the rest of your intercultural communication class, now that you're ready with your folder all set up, all the best for your semester.